This is a three-dimensional stepper motor we created. The purpose of this three-dimensional stepper motor is to be able to move a vehicle in any direction. So like two-dimensional stepper motors, they just either spin left or right, but ours can go up, down, left, or right. The way we did this is by making a ball here with magnets at every 45-degree angle with electromagnets on the inside. That's what you see here, these 4 electromagnets that repel and attract one electromagnet at a time to move this ball in any direction. These rollers here are simply to keep the ball rolling at a frictionless ideal. So I'm going to have Britt go ahead and describe how we made this body and ball.
So when we first built this, we prototyped it in 2D, and we had an axle going through a styrofoam ball just to test it on one of these axes. And so once we got that working, the hardest part was taking this into 3D, as you can see it right now. We searched around on the internet and couldn't find anything regarding a 3D stepper motor. The closest thing was a induction motor using AC. And since we want to make this mobile using a battery, we needed DC. And so we came up with the idea to use the 3D printer. As you can see, each of these pieces, there's 4 of them. And on the top, you can see there's 2 arches, one going this way and one going this way. And this houses the electromagnets, like DJ was talking about, which push and pull the ball to go in any direction. And so this was all done using AutoCAD and the 3D printing in order to make this work.
Now to program and run our project, we used an Arduino Uno, a motor shield that would drive each of the 4 magnets, as well as a Bluetooth receiver right here, which we then connect with this application here, as you saw DJ running it, going up, down, left, and right. This is also able to, you can also program the Arduino to run it automatically, which is huge and awesome, but we decided to use this Bluetooth application to be able to control it ourselves.
Our end goal was to have this ball move the vehicle, obviously. We weren't able to get to that point, but we were very proud of what we did accomplish. There's a couple things that we could have done to improve this model if we had some more time, a little more money. One of the things is stronger electromagnets. We weren't 100% sure what rated electromagnets we needed. These are 55-pound pole electromagnets. They go up to 200 and so pound poles. So we could obviously get stronger electromagnets to get stronger poles on these magnets. We could stack more magnets to get a stronger magnetic field. Also, we've thought about using several motor controllers instead of one controlling all 4 electromagnets, using several to apply larger voltages across each one and getting more torque. And another thing is, it is a little unstable right now, and the main reason of that is this one plastic ball transfer, most of the weight is balancing on that, so there's a lot of the stress, most of the stress is sitting on top of that plastic ball transfer. If we were able to put 4 in there instead of that just one here, 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 and here, we would be able to keep the ball on its axis a lot better and be a lot more stable. So those are several ideas we've had to improve this model and to actually get it to move the vehicle. It hasn't gotten to that point, but we believe that the idea is there, and with a little more time, money, and a little more work, we can easily get there.
And that's our project. Thank you.